Developing Jamaica's cultural and creative industries and the entertainment and sports sectors while promoting gender mainstreaming comes with a $7 billion price tag in the 2025-2026 fiscal year. $6.76 billion is being allocated from the Consolidated Fund, and the Portfolio Ministry will earn the other $509 million from various activities. Almost half of the ministry's budget, $3.2 billion, is set aside to preserve and promote Jamaica's culture during the fiscal year.
We do it for culture. We do it for the Jamaican people.
The premier cultural agency, the JCDC, will receive over $500 million for its operating expenses and a combined $338.7 million to identify and develop the country's cultural talents and promote them at the national level through interventions like the Festival of the Performing Arts competitions. Another $368 million will allow for the staging of Grand Gala, Emancipation Day, and the National Heritage Week celebrations.
Undoubtedly, it takes incredible teamwork to bring these events to life. And we couldn't do it alone. It requires the support of all of us.
$1 billion will fund cultural and heritage protection and preservation works through allocations to the National Gallery of Jamaica, the National Natural History and Jamaica Music Museums, Liberty Hall, Simon Bolivar Cultural Center, and the Junior Center. Of note is $42.48 million included for preserving the legacy of national hero Marcus Garvey as the government continues efforts to fully acquire and develop his boyhood home. Labor Day works will also be supported. Under the umbrella of entertainment and economic linkages, work continues to develop an Entertainment Policy and Entertainment Industry Act to develop, market, and export local talents. This includes advancing the Jamaica Entertainers and Creative Insurance Plan, Phase 1 of which was launched in November 2024.
The group health insurance will be up and running. And this is comprehensive, covering hospitalization, surgery, maternity. I can say to the young women entertainers, it covers maternity. It covers major medical and overseas non-emergency and overseas emergency medical care.
It's a powerful tool for balanced health, builds social skills, and is an economic generator. So, from the grassroots to the professional level, government is investing big in sports, over $2 billion in fiscal year 2025-2026. Approximately $1.27 billion is to implement sporting activities at the community and parish levels and buy equipment for schools and other sport groups.
What we are doing here, we are the nursery, and we are providing you with nurturing that talent that you will one day be showcasing as future stars.
To keep Jamaica's sporting record clean, $339.5 million is going to the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission and World Anti-Doping Agency, and $511.9 million will be pumped into sport infrastructure development and management. This year, the ministry is on a mission to increase the new gender focal points and grow the number of micro-businesses participating in its Women Entrepreneurship Support Program. It's part of the gender mainstreaming mandate that's receiving $1.047 billion during the fiscal year. This includes $534.8 million for the Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation, which supports teen mothers, and $272.6 million to meet the administrative expenses of the Bureau of Gender Affairs. For the 2025-2026 fiscal year, government is putting its money behind the talk of taking Jamaica's culture to the world, driving sport development, and addressing the gender imbalance.